Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, and I thank all you guys who have subscribed, and I want to thank all you guys who have been successful following my methods. Okay, today we're going to discuss how to become rich within 30 days, right? Which is really simple. Like all these other shows and channels and stuff, sometimes they make it seem so complicated for you guys, so it's hard for you guys to grasp it. But when you come to this channel, I always break it down and I make it in the simplest form of how to do whatever it is that I'm teaching you. And today I'm just going to educate you guys on how to become rich real fast and how to be successful. And also basically like how to become famous real quick. Within 30 days you can become rich easily. And I've seen it done over and over rapidly. The method, it just works and is never going to run out. The first thing that you need to know before you even become rich is you have to practice self-discipline. Yes, you have to practice self-discipline. Before you do your 30-day run, practice self-discipline. Stop spending as much money as you used to spend. Work on yourself. Consistently tell yourself no. If you know that you are not making a move towards your future, restrict yourself, okay? And like the main thing, if you really want to know how to become rich within 30 days, the secret, let's get straight down to it, is the internet. You have to use the internet. There's no way around it. And this is the reason why that you have to use the internet in order to become rich within 30 days is because it reaches a broader audience. It reaches more people than we can reach. Like we have 169 different countries, right? So when you post your business and your company on the internet and you market and you pay for the paid advertisements and the paid ads everywhere on the internet, what you're doing is you're spreading your company to 169 different countries versus just the one country that you live in. And that's why I always say it's real easy to become rich within 30 days. You just have to know the secrets. And a lot of people that are entrepreneurs, they don't want to share the secrets with you. That's why Joseph Denton is here. I am here to share all the secrets with you guys. I give you real reality. There's not some whole bunch of pop-ups and all these little bells and whistles. No, I give it to you real direct, just like we are in real reality and in real life. I give it to you straight up front. This is how it is. This is what it is. You can have diamonds and rubies in your teeth. You can have yellow canaries on your wrists and diamonds everywhere. You can have property and homes everywhere. You can own businesses all over the world. You can be rich. You actually you are rich. But there's just certain steps that you need to know. In order to become rich and wealthy, you gotta use online. You have to utilize the internet, okay? Post, post in forums, post in vlogs, okay? Be consistent with your content. Be consistent with advertising your business, okay? Never ever let negative energy rule your company. That's the main reason that a lot of people aren't rich because they let negativity rule their company, okay? You can get rich within the first 30 days. I've seen people get rich overnight. I've seen people get rich within 1 week. And one thing that I've noticed, the way how they all have got rich, it was the lines of communication that they used, okay? They all used the internet, okay? Don't be afraid to use the internet. Don't be afraid to pay for advertising, for your advertisement over the internet, okay? Use paid ads. Get your company out there. Whatever business it is that you open up, remember you're an entrepreneur, okay? It can be a makeup business, that you're involved in, it can be clothes that you're involved in. It can be the entertainment industry. It can be books, whatever it is that you're involved in, use the internet to your advantage, okay? Use whatever platform that you need to use in order to become successful. Like I wasn't always rich. I wasn't always a major social media influencer, okay? I wasn't, but I did it within 30 days. And how did I do it? I did it by being consistent. I also did it by using the internet, okay? The internet is so marvelous. Like people do not want you to know how awesome the internet is. Like the internet can literally make you a millionaire in 1 day. In 1 day, okay? I've seen it done a lot of times. The internet can make you a millionaire overnight. That's why I say if you want to be rich, give yourself 30 days. 30 days of constantly posting yourself and your content and your business on the internet, you're going to blow up. And don't forget, make sure you respond to all those emails. Respond to the emails, because those are emails of people that you haven't met. You haven't met those people, right? And they have, how would you say it? They have connections with passive income. You know, they have that. And a lot of the people that you're going to see once you start really marketing your company on the internet, you're going to see there's a lot of those people, they have millionaires that they're in touch with, and they've probably been a millionaire for a long periods of time. And then if you collide your company with their company, you're definitely going to earn a lot of money. You're definitely going to get rich, but you can't be afraid to spend money neither. It takes money to make money. Now, I know some people do make all this free money and all that, but that's just not realistic if you're trying to get rich within 30 days. If you're trying to get rich within 30 days or famous within 30 days, you need to be on all these platforms. There's millions of platforms that you need to be on. You need to be dealing with all these different websites, okay? Let your name and your company be known to all these other websites. Reach out to people. Reach out to different brands. This is how you get rich within 30 days. Post frequently, regularly post, okay? Blog a lot. You can blog on Reddit. You can blog, blog a lot. Mainly blog a lot as much as you can on Google. Okay? Use Google AdSense to post ads. Use the internet to your advantage. Like, don't be afraid to use the internet. Like, you're never going to get rich if you're not utilizing the internet. Consistently work your phone. Use those apps, all those apps that they created for you guys to use. Use all those apps to earn money. Use those apps to earn you a financial gain and a financial success in life. Okay? Do not be afraid to put your money behind your ads, okay? This is the only way you're going to earn money. If you really want to get rich and earn money, you have to invest in the internet. Now, which sites should you invest in? That's going to determine you, okay? That's going to determine you. But on your social media platforms, always advertise what you're trying to present to the people. Whatever business it is, you always advertise it. And that's how you become rich and save your money. Get you a savings account also, right? And save the money. But if you want to get rich within 30 days, like, I'm just giving you the honest to God truth. I'm not going to hide it from you or nothing. Use your Facebook. If you want to get rich within 30 days, use your Facebook. Make you a fan page. Use your Instagram. Make sure you monetize your Instagram. If you want to get rich within 30 days, use your YouTube. Make sure you monetize your YouTube, okay? Use affiliate links, okay? Make sure that you're with the right affiliate marketer that's going to make sure that you get paid, okay? Use brand deals, okay? Reach out to different brands, okay? And always consistently check your emails and consistently pay for advertisement. Don't pay for advertisement one day and then think, nah, consistently. However many weeks is in that month, pay for an ad once a week, okay? Run campaigns, okay? I cannot express to you how important it is. Run ad campaigns, okay? You must run ad campaigns if you want to get rich. This is how you earn money. If you want to earn money and you want to earn a lot of money and become an entrepreneur and become a millionaire and earn that type of salary, well, then you have to consistently post ads and you have to consistently pay for advertisement and you have to consistently run campaigns, okay? Don't be afraid to run an ad campaign. Run that ad campaign because it's going to bring in way more revenue to your business and to your company, okay? Now, what I'm sharing with you today about earning money is priceless, okay? And no one else on the internet is sharing this type of information with you that I'm sharing with you. They're all trying to string you along and tell you this. No, I'm telling you right now what you have to do. If you have to promote you definitely have to promote, okay? Promote, 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 okay? Advertise, 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 okay? Run your campaigns. Advertise with billboards. This is how you get rich within 30 days. Advertise with billboards, advertise on social media platforms, advertise in person, advertise with flyers, advertise by word of mouth, and this is how you accumulate the wealth that you need for you to be able to earn nice nice financial nice financial amounts of money, an abundance of it. You have to run ad campaigns, okay? You have to consistently promote, you have to consistently communicate with people, respond to those emails, and consistently make sure that everyone knows you. Have an online presence. Consistently promote your company online. You have to. You have to consistently have an internet presence. If you do that, I guarantee you'll be rich within 30 days. Do not forget to share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. I know I gave you guys about $1 billion worth of information for free today, but I just want you guys to be alert, and I just want to help you and share my education and information that I have so that you guys can have a great financial gain, and that you guys can be financially stable, and that you can earn passive income, and that you can earn large amounts of income. Okay? This is how you get rich within 30 days. Stay promoting, pay for your advertisement. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys again later.